All right, let's go, guys. We have half hour before the NFP. All right. First of all, so let me explain something. I'm gonna open up my account and we'll go to 30-minute time frame or 1 minute, 1 hour. So you see this trade. This is we have taken in, basically at the end of the Asian session, and we had a SL below this level, and basically we were targeting the same high. What I tell you, like in the last live stream, what I told you in the last live stream, right? 2684. Okay, we targeted the same area and we win that. All right. This was the losing trade, but yeah, we had a winning trade as well. So right now, our account is sitting at right now our account is sitting at 2 3.5%. All right, 3.5%. So let's see how we do. As today is NFP in half an hour, and I'll see, like, basically how that goes. I mean, in the meantime, if you guys have any questions or something, you can ask. All right. At 7 p.m. we have the even USD CAD will be moving crazy. So if you anyone trades USD CAD, you should be looking that as well. All right. Actually, I forgot to put out the Instagram story today that we are live and you guys can join us. All right. First of all, I want to check. Yes, our microphone is on. First of all, microphone is on. We are good. All right, guys, let's do the analysis now because we have 15 minutes. All right, so we'll do analysis right now. The last trade we have taken was this one. We made good money, and right now we are up around 3.5% on the account. So let's see how we do it for the rest of the NFP. Either we're gonna lost everything or either we're gonna make something. So I don't know what will happen, but let's see. But I'm pretty sure like we do not want to risk, you know, a lot. So with the start of the, you know, you can say month, January, we've been trending to the upside. Now, at the same time, we have some rejection coming in at this point, and what we are expecting either this bullish candle will be, can go up to 694 or so, or eventually I'm thinking if the data is not good enough, then the price will drop. Okay, so we'll see how is the data, and based on that, we'll try to take a trade. Okay, we are not gonna take a blind trade, just a buy stop sell stop thing. That only can be done by Raja Bank because he's the man, right? He's the man. So like if he do it, then it's a different story because he still can manage the risk, and he have the patience of that, and we do not. I mean, I to be honest, I do not have it. Like if I take a buy stop sell stop, there is a chances that on this account we can have a slippage or things like that. So I don't want to risk that much. Overall, our this week was good. Basically we are up around 3.5%, but if you see, like, we started this week even in negative 1%. So since then we have made around you can say 4% or so, and close this up. And the right now the important thing is that I think like price is slowly but trending to the upside. It's not going down, but it's trending. Give me a minute, all right? Give me. All right, yeah. As I was saying, that yeah, price is slowly but trending to the upside. So for me, if I'm looking for sells, that would be. Let's take a look at the first monthly candle. We have monthly candle always pushing to the upside. Also keep in mind that we have created this wick. Maybe this could be just volume to the upside, but let's see. I mean, we've been trending nicely, right? Since we have break above the structure, but at the same time, on a weekly time frame, we've been stuck into the consolidation zone, and now we are breaking above this area after quite some period of time. The question is, are we going to like continue going up till here? Are we going to reject? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark some area out here which I possibly think that can reject. First of all, this area, I will just jump to 4 hour as well. Yeah, so that is the area one. All right, and then we have a final area which will be this one, which is pretty big because this is the level where price can reject no matter what, because we have one, two, three, and like after breaking below the structure, yeah, I mean this could be a possible break below the structure, and this was a huge drop, right? Since here, after touching this area, and we've been trending to the upside since after that. Now, according to me, there's a high probability that we can reject around these areas, but even with the big volume coming in, it's depend on the data, is it good or not, right? Based on that, it will price will react. So we have two levels. One is this, second is here, possible rejection. All right, this is the level where we are hoping that on a daily time frame that price should be closing below this structure. All right, and even if you take a look at the 4 hour time frame, we are still good with that because after even closing above with a one bullish candle, there is chances that this could be just the red candle and pushing down, break below the candle low. So this will be just similar to the last attempt that we did. All right. So according to me, the best option for me is to look at the data, how it is, and based on that, we will take the trade. Is Raja live right now? Is he? Oh, he is. He is, guys. He is live. I'm not ready. There you go, guys. He is live. Raja himself, Raja himself, he is live. We'll be using buy stop and the sell stop in the NFP. We'll be checking out this too because like I've been watching his live stream from when since I started the trading, all right, and I have learned a lot from him. And whenever whenever I you know start trading, I always check if he is live or not because of his live stream. We've been consistent in the past when I was learning things. So if he is live, to be honest, like I will doubt that people will watch this live stream. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what he's doing. Right, we'll be keeping an eye out for this. Like I'll update you guys whatever he takes. But I think he is looking for similar data as well as after marking this zone that we did because I told you guys that 2684 is an rejection point. So we'll mark this area as well. Anything above this area is good for us. But anything below this 2672 or so will be sell for us. All right. I think we have 11 minutes for the NFP. So let's see what happens. Because okay, I'm not sure like what about the other trade ideas. Let's take a look at this. For GJ, there's a possibility we can go up, I think, to recover a little bit before continuing the trend. So I think there's a high probability that we will go up. So if you're looking for buys, then I think GJ will be that pair to 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 look at to look for some buys. And for GU as well, I think the buys will be great. Like I think putting stop loss below this area, that will be 100 pips or so. But anyway, just like all right. But most likely I'll be trading after the NFE after I see the numbers and all. So if you want to watch something, then I would suggest like go to Raja's live stream because he will be trading the NFP. I won't be trading the NFP. I'll be trading after the NFP, like how price is doing based on that. But yeah, we'll be keeping an eye out like what price does. Let's see how much time we have. We have still 9 minutes, and question is what it will be happening in this 9 minutes, guys. What do you think will happen? What do you think will happen? Like I think like price can go up, but at the same time, I need to check, All right, we'll see what's happening, right? We'll see. I think I'll be watching the Raja's live stream, like what he does in the session, like. But yeah, I do not think so. I'll be taking the buy stop and sell stop, but I'll be looking at the live stream. Yes, I'll share with you guys once I open the again. If price go down, then I think possibly sells will be better. Okay, prices is going up. Okay, so there is a high probability that I think like what will happen is something price will tap into this zone. Okay, but if it does tap into this zone, all right, then I'm still hoping that it will reject, and it will reject either from here or around this areas. Once it does, I think like price will start trending down till 2650 or so. That's what I think. That's my scenario, like what I'm looking for. But we need to wait and see like how price is doing at the time after the news, basically. Like if it's going up, down, data is good, bad. So based on the data, we'll decide what will be happening. In the meantime, we'll enjoying the Raja Bank Casino, and we'll see like what he does. Okay, guys, that's the planning. So we have 5 minutes. I'm gonna jump to here. Yeah, it's there. I'm gonna turn on this.
10 lots on gold. No.
10 lots on the gold.
How much does it took you to become profitable? How much does it took you to be? How much did it take me to become profitable?
Okay.
What does Pancho means?
People are crazy in that. Like, how much we have 5 minutes?
All right, let's take a look at this chart over here. Mindika is saying, oh, nice. Another Mindika analysis. So last time Mindika had analysis, he sent a chart. So just like this, he sent a chart where price drops down. So he's saying price should drop to 2671, whatever, and then it should move up. And it happened exactly like that before. So 2672 or 73. Let's do that. I'm going to make bets on that one. 2673 right here, Mindika. This is for you. If price comes down, I'll take a buy.
Actually, it does make sense, to be honest. So I'm going to mute it here for some minutes. but it does make sense. The reason I'm saying it does make sense because price, as I said, price has been trending for the upside, and we've been creating a proper demand levels and basically support levels, and we are respecting that while trending to the upside. So there is a high probability that it could happen that we just drop down a little bit because most of the people are looking for sales and price just right down, right up. Okay, that is a high probability.
Or is it just whatever? Soon, Dominion Markets will be on TradingView. Yes, so excited about that. So excited about that. Dominion Markets on TradingView. Man, a highly reputable platform like TradingView is hosting Dominion Markets on their platform. So that means Dominion Markets is not some people used to say it's offshore scam broker. Why would a reputable platform like TradingView have a scam broker
That's
on
true.
the platform? Why?
That's true.
Tell me.
Okay, guys. I think
have no answer as well.
it's time. It's
But I
time.
do
It's
have an
time. All
answer,
right.
because we are reputable. A reputable person or an entity will only do business with someone who's reputable. Like a priest is not going to do business with a rapist, right? No, that's a good analogy. A priest will only do business with nuns or other priests or fathers.
That's our account there.
Or kids? No, man. Phil said it. Phil said it, or like this. Wow. Yeah, so anyway, soon it's happening in 3 months. Who else is watching from Nigeria? Not me, buddy. I'm in Dubai. I have $150. What's your advice? Get prop firm or trade live? Oh, you have $150? Go get yourself Market Fruity University for 1 month and learn. If you got $150, you want to gamble it? If you have $100, would you gamble it or would you learn a skill? You'd buy a book, right? You'd buy a book.
I 100% agree on that. All right. If you do not know anything about trading,
you would learn a book to
go and check his course out. It's amazing. It's worth it. Like, to be honest, every penny. Okay, I think it's 2 minutes left, and I want to take a trade, but I want to wait for price to play out, to be honest, and see like how it's trending. I think whatever its size, at whatever its side goes, like if it goes up, down, I'll be waiting for proper setup, proper resistance supports, and data. Based on that, we'll take the trade. In the meantime, we're gonna enjoy his live stream, and we'll see what it does. What's happening? Like 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Like.
All right.
I'm gonna make this big now.
All right. Wow, man.
Just watching him.
Crazy.
Not taking any trades. Just watching it.
Okay. Nothing. All right, buddy. So we got 30 seconds left. Price is moving down. You know what I'm going to do? Ooh, nothing. I'll do nothing. If price comes down, I'll take a buy. This is wild, man. Look, 16 pip spread. I'm not touching this. This is news. This is news. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
2, 1.
Oh, buy right here. Is that what Mendika said?
Damn. He took the buy. He took the buy.
No.
He took the buy. Damn. All right.
No.
That was crazy, guys. That was crazy. Like,
wow, man. Do you see that? The
this
spread
is huge.
opened my position way over there. Instant 50 pip slip. Instant. This is wild. This is when you say open, Joel. Wow, this
Okay.
is wild, man. This is
This is too much. Like, to be
staying
honest, as
away
I
from
said,
this
like
shit.
let's take a look at the data now.
Ooh, look at this.
I'm gonna be moving this. All right, guys, I'm gonna be moving this. Now let's take a look at the data. So we got really good numbers and the employment change NFP. Okay, we got really good numbers for USD basically, and that is a good number for unemployment rate as well. So basically, gold is moving down. Okay, now gold is moving down. Now what I'm gonna do? Gold is moving down. For sure, it will be moving down, but there is a high probability still. Like, I want to check it out first, that how we are playing out on a daily, weekly. So we are below this zone. 4 hour, we are below this zone. So you see, like, this is the high we predicted, and it's ripping down now. Let's see how much we can move down here within next 28 minutes. But at the same time, I think, like, what will happen is something like this, and then price will start dropping down. That's what I think. Okay, that's what I think. That is a high probability for price to mount. Guys, give me a minute. Guys, I'll be taking 15 minutes for myself. So I'll be back in 5 to 10 minutes because I have an important thing to do, which I cannot leave it. All right. So give me 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm back. I'm back. I'm here. All right, sorry for that. Let's continue this now. Okay, so as price is now pushing to the upside because there's new 5 minute candle opening up just now. Also, in the meantime, I want to take a look at the 1 minute just to be sure what kind of trade we can take here, right? Because I know it will be crazy, right? So yeah, all we need is to first of all, if this price is rejecting this areas or not. In the meantime, let's take a look at the GJ. Oh, it did drop here. It's not going up. So as well as GU and DXY. Damn, it is pushing up. Dollar is going up. But at the same time, for price to move up, I'm pretty sure it will make a retest the highs or something before going down. Question is, will that be in next week or it will be happening right now in the 1 hour or so? Like how much time we have for the 4 hour closure? We have 20 minutes, right? For 4 hour candle to close. I mean, question is, should we, if we do take a look at the 30 minute and 15 minute time frame, we have candle closed in 4 minutes or so for the 50 minute and for the 30 minute 19 minutes, right? So it's the same as the, yeah, I think there is still a high probability. Like if this 5 minute candle do flip bullish, I think it will shoot up. There's a high probability it could still go up. Should we take a risk, guys? Let's do it. Okay. I wanna check my before after setup story which I shared before news. Bro, you nailed it. Is that why you're saying this? Did you? Amazing. Amazing. Nice trade. Nice trade. So I'm gonna be taking two buys here. All right. This is a risky trade, okay, guys? So if you don't want to risk, don't take this trade. I'll be putting SL based on a 1 minute time frame exactly below the structure. And I'm hoping that price will be tapping into this zone. Okay, that's it. It is a high risky trade. The only reason I'm taking buys is based on the 15 minute and the 30 minute candles. Is there's a high probability if it's closing above the structure, and then I think like the 50 minute and the news, it will create a high here before continuing the downtrend. Okay, so that's why I have taken this buy based on that only. But there is still chance, there's a still probability that this 5 minute candle or the 15 minute candle could easily flip down and reject our entries because there is a high volume for the price to go down. All right, because the news is totally opposite of the gold, like it's not in the favor of gold. But yeah, संकेत भाई आपने तो भाई से बहुत सही ट्रेड लिया है. I think it was based on here, right? Daily time frame. All right. हाँ, like daily candle flip, like मैं 3 दिन से लाइव स्ट्रीम में यही बोल रहा हूँ कि basically This is the area you should look out for. And I think मैंने ये लंदन सेशन या एशियन के बाद में ये ट्रेड लिया था, which hit up the 2684 जो last time, like last live stream में we had loss here because of that trade, क्योंकि हम लोग ने इधर buy लिया था hoping that it will hit this mark, but it did not. वो पहले थोड़ा नीचे गया and now it did hit that mark. So let's see. तो अभी basically हम लोग ऐसा ही कुछ target कर रहे हैं, देखते हैं, because I still like there is high probability कि price go up first before moving down, because there will be a lot of sellers coming into market due to the data, and I think there's a high chance that we should be going up before going down. So we have taken this trade based on that. We are up around $167. Like once we are up around, like, you know, once we cross around 276 or so, I'll be moving stop loss at break even. But we need to close above the structures. Also, we need a closure based on a 15-minute time frame, which is in 20 seconds or so. Question is this: will price go up or not? That is the only question. Because once this candle closes, there's a high probability it will come down. If it does with a high volume, then we are done for. Ooh, look at that. Now I'm gonna be closing both of the trade here. Guys, close the trade. The reason I closed it is because I hit my mark 4%. See, I just wanted to hit the 4%. Okay. So I'm up on the funded account with the 4%. Okay. And I'm good with it. I'm good with it. I made around 25 pips. All right. It's a good trade for the NFP. And we'll see like how it does run out, because I want to see like in the next week I have a clear direction on gold, which could be possibly like if you look at the 1 hour and the 4 hour time frame, there's a high probability that we could tap into this zone, but we will reject and do some consolidation in this time frame before moving into a proper trend. But if we get any sells idea here, it will be amazing, like for price to trend down. Okay, so 15-minute totally flip bullish, so as well as the 30-minute. 1 hour will be flipping bullish. So this is like a crazy volume. Look at this. Okay, how much we went down from here to here. There's 147 pips. And now if we are flipping bullish, it is something crazy. But anyway, like before this trade that we took right now here, we had another trade where we made around 60 pips or so, and this is the second trade for today where we made around 25 pips. I think we are really good with the trade, but if anyone who hold the trade, you still should be good. Like look at this. The reason I closed it, because I know like it will be rejecting somehow and coming down and still going up. There will be a lot of manipulation in the market right now, but at the same time I know like where to close the trade, so I did that with my instinct. Like it's a gut feeling basically. That's what we did. Is Raja still live? Oh, he is live still. Did he took any other trades? I think he did took buys. Yeah, he's down 4,000 today. But anyway, like as he said, like if we hold this level to six, let me tell you, this level, there's a high probability we can still move up. The only reason that level is good enough is because look at the 4 hour time frame. Okay, this is a level we have, we've been holding for quite some time, and if we are holding that right now, there's a high probability we can still tap into two seven, 2,700 or so. And if we do tap into this zone, there's a possibility we can reject immediately later on, like this, and come down with a high volume. But yeah, I think there will be much volume coming in to the next week. And yeah, today is the great day as well. But yeah, overall, we did good job this week. We made 4%, and overall, our target is 10%. So, according to me, in a month, making a 10% is something really great. Okay. And in this week, we have made 4%, which is totally amazing. So, all we need to target for the next month, that will be 6%. Okay. Not next week, basically. Not, I mean, this week, right? So, according to me, like, yeah, next week we'll be targeting 6%, but I will try my best to manage the risk at the same time, because ooh, look at that, prices now moving up here. It's moving up really strong. you know Eventually we're going to take out the London high as well. There's a high probability we can take out the London high, and when we do that, as the 1 hour and the 4 hour will be closing in some minutes, when the next 4 hour candle open up, there's a probability it will create a huge wick till 2690 and then reject and close down in bearish candle as a bearish candle. So let's see, that this is just based on like what I think will happen. All right, so don't take trades based on my analysis. Do your own analysis and take the trade based on that. Okay. So people, there were some people who asked me why gold move against the fundamental data when it does come out. So I told you guys, all right, we did move into that favor, but because of the technical, we've been holding this levels, like we've been trending to the upside for quite some time. We just break below this level, created a low, but price need to fetch a better price to move down properly, create some technical levels to move down properly, so it won't be reacting immediately. The NFP data will be important for the upcoming week, and when the upcoming week, you should know that there was a really bad data for gold. So there is a huge probability you should now start looking for sells. In this area, we've been looking for buys. Now we should start looking for sells for the upcoming week. All right. So yeah, that will be the whole analysis, guys. That will be the whole analysis. Tell me, like, what do you want me to do for next 1 hour? Like, we have huge. Okay, is he watching him? Damn. To be honest, I would like to tell you something, guys. Okay, watch this. Watch this. I'm not a hater or something. Okay, I'm not a hater or something. I'm not a hater or something of Don Wu. To be honest, this is the guy I have watched as well while doing his live stream and all. Look at the people. There is 2,000 people nearly who's watching this live stream. All right, and they are in drawdown here. They are in drawdown here. He have taken a sell entry here, and they are in drawdown of 150 pips. 150 pips. All right. And people are still watching his live stream after what he have done. It's not okay. You can watch his live stream. There's no problem with that. But think like before you invest in people, okay? There are some people who, give his hard-earned money. He still run ads on this channel to make money. And yeah, right now in the live stream, he does says that he will give money back and all and all. But right now he's back and doing the live stream. But anyway, we don't gonna just remove this here. Whatever guy's saying here, I think he stopped the live stream, right? Yeah. Yeah, he's writing. This is something kind. This this was good one. This was the good one. Like at the end when he said like I'll be giving you the discount. Anyway, guys, like even for me, like there's not much I can do as a live stream. I need to end it, right? We already made some profit for the week. I don't want to risk that profit. Okay. We made 4% and I'm good with it. Okay. Technically, we made 5%. As I said, we've been in the drawdown 1%. Technically, this week we made 5% and we did great job. All right. We did great job while managing the risk and everything on this funded account. And this is the first time me sharing everything on the live stream. So yeah, this is the first time doing this. And I'm really happy that I was able to make 5%. All right. Hoping that the next week we're gonna manage the risk and do the same thing and hopefully pass the phase one at least. All right. Phase one at least. That will be the progress there. But yeah, that's it. That's it. I guess that's it for the today's live stream. I guess there's not much I can say. Yeah. In the meantime, guys, if you're watching the live stream, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. All right, subscribe to the channel. We'll be doing live stream every day. We'll try our best to do the live stream every day. But yeah, we did amazing job like here doing the small shade. Just to this trade, I already made money with this one. Okay, this trade I have taken is just to satisfy my mental level to hit the 4K mark. I'll be honest. This I'm guilty as charged. I just took this trade. This was a risky trade. There's a high probability because we had a huge volume coming in at this price point. Okay, there's a high probability we could just drop down from here. Okay, and continue the trend. But I didn't think that, and I took the trade. All right. Eventually, it is good. Okay, it is good. It went up like amazing 80 pips, but still, you know so always consider like everything for me like for my mental peace I hit the 4K mark. I'll be honest, the reason even I took this trade is like if I didn't hit that mark, there's a possibility that it will be stuck in my mind for quite some time, and I don't want that, and it will ruin my next week trading. If I lose this trade, I'll be back into 3%, and from the start of the week I was hoping to at least achieve 3%, and I'm good with that. So eventually I told you guys that there's a possibility we will take out the London high, and we are doing that here possibly. Okay, and once we take out the London high, there's high probability that we will start moving down. Yeah, but of course, like this will be huge wick, 40 to 50 pips before moving down. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching the live stream. I hope I see you in the next week, and we do some good trades, good risk management, and pass the funded account later on. All right. So thank you for watching, and yeah, have a good day. Have a good weekend. Have an amazing weekend with your family and all. So that's all. That's all. All right, guys. Bye.